to cook up another instrumental. You ought to give me 2 thumbs up just for this intro. It's Bigg Vic TV. Hey, welcome to my world. What is up, guys? It's a bird, it's a plane. Nah, it's Bigg Vic, and I'm back again. I don't know, that might be a new intro. But anyway, what's up, guys? Back in the building again with a new video, and today we are digging in Output's arcade. It's the very first time I've downloaded this awesome loop. Man, I don't even know what to call it. It sounds is a massive amount of loops. Sounds updated frequently. I'm on a test trial right now, 30-day free trial. It's actually $10 a month. And do I think it's worth it? Well, let's just go inside, dig into it, and I'll let you guys know if I think this is a super green light. Does it get the Bigg Vic stamp of approval? All right, so we about to dig in here, so let's go inside. All right, so first of all, I had to dig inside of Output. I went through a lot of the loops that are in here. It has a plethora of loops. You can go up here to new, you can go to tonal, organic sounds, chill sounds, percussive sounds, electronic, guitar, slices, summer, electric, and bands. And you can go down here, you know, look for jazz, you know, different things. And they're constantly updating the loops and the different sections with different loops that you can check out. Now, I, for one, never was a big fan of creating beats using loops, but this Output arcade is definitely, Arcade by Output is definitely, I found to be a nice gem that I can put in my arsenal. Now, this is why. If you look right here, you can actually go up in here and change the key of the loop, which makes it completely different from anything anyone else may use as far as the loops go. So you can change the key of this thing, minor chord, make it a major, major, minor. Listen, this is a very unique VST plugin, whatever you want to call it. It's definitely, I think, is a game changer for what it does, right? So, my little brother kept calling me, hit me up. Not kept calling me, but every time I would talk to him, he would say, man, you checked out that arcade yet? You checked out that arcade yet? I'm like, no, I haven't checked out arcade yet. Should I check it out? So I finally had the time to check it out. And I hit him up like, bro, I cooked up a smash using that Output arcade. So this is what I cooked up. Let's go through this thing. Let's go through it. Let's go through it. Here's the deal. Here's the deal. All right. So let's check it out. If you go here, these are what some of the loops sound like. This is a guitar loop, and it's called Almost There. And what's lovely about it is you can actually edit each sound. You actually can manipulate each one of these loops, each chop. You go, bro, this arcade Output is dope. As long as they continue to update it with the new loops, this thing is a no-brainer. Literally, it's a no-brainer. So you can edit each one, right? And you can actually, so let's go right here. I can actually So these right here are actually different effects that you can do to it once you hold down the key. Right? And over here, you can actually change the speed, slow it down by 2, speed it up by 1, or speed it up by 2. So you can do a half speed, speed it up by 1, speed it up by 2, legato, quantize at 1/16, 1/8, 1/4, half, or no quantize. You can also change the kit voice limit, right? And that's pretty much it in a nutshell. So you can also change each sound, or so you can move this. Give it some verb, clean, tremolo, delay. So it's a lot of different things you can do to each chop in here. I'm kind of mad I waited so long to actually check out Arcade. So let's get to the moment you've all been waiting for. Let's check out the track I made. I only used 2 instances of Arcade to put this track together. And let's check it out. So this is how I put some of the chops together for my track. So let's start with the first instrument, which is this one called Almost There. Matter of fact, let's put a heart by that right now so I don't forget. So that was the first instrument I used, first loop I chopped up and put my own arrangement together for it, right? And next I came with my drums. And those drums sound like this. Pulled up the re-drum. Next, I went in and I grabbed the 808, and the 808 just added. As a matter of fact, I'm not even going to bring the 808 in yet. Let's go to the next Arcade sound, because what I did with this is I went into this. I found some voice loops. This is called retro tongues. And these are what some of the loops sound like. I sped this up by 1 time. Right. So I just wanted you to hear that. Now, I'm not going to bring that in just yet. Let's go ahead and bring the 808 in, right? And let you hear how this, matter of fact, I'm going to bring the percussions in first. Let's bring, I used heat up 3 again. Heat up 3 again. And I used acoustic percussions in that, and it added some more flavor to this track. So let's check that out. So let's bring in this arcade element. I'm going to bring this in, the real tongues, the voice loops that I chopped, and created my own arrangement with it. So let's check that out. Woo! Now, this 808 is actually going to be the glue that puts most of this together. And of course, I added my lovely basic square just to fill out the chorus part of this track. So let's bring that basic square, no, excuse me, let's bring the 808 in. And I used NNXT, spread my 808 throughout my keys, and let's drop it. And to seal the deal, let's bring that basic square in that I use just to accent for the chorus of the track. And here we go. This basically sums up this track right here. Of course, once I put an arrangement on it, you guys know how that go. All right. So let's check it out. Let's pull that heat up back up. I see that faded out on me. Let's bring that back. Let's go. So that is Outputs Arcade. And of course, if you go there, download the joint. This is not like any type of endorsement. I don't have no affiliate links or anything like that. It's just I went and downloaded it. Lil bro kept talking to me about it. So I went and checked out Arcade. I'm digging it. It's getting the 4 thumbs up, 2 thumbs up, like the intro. Yeah. So, you know what I'm saying? If you guys need something extra like this, of course, you see I was able to whip up a nice one with this. It's dope. I'm feeling it. Go check it out. Output Arcade. I'm sure a lot of you guys are already familiar with it. I'm just really getting familiar with it myself. And I hope you guys enjoyed that track. If you dig it, if you have it, drop them comments below. Make sure you thumbs up this video, right? Shout out to baby bro. If y'all see him down in the comments, MS Beats, that is my little brother. He got that heat on the way too, so be looking out for him, all right? It's your man, Bigg Vic, man. As I always say, I'm digging Output Arcade. Always hustle. Never stop growing. See y'all in the next video. Make sure you like and make sure you subscribe. Hit that notification button if you haven't already, all right? It's your man. Peace.